Racing just is started with very quickly to start. Amazing cut, Luneta Park in between horses, Guadalajara. The Wayrack comes next, then followed by Private Toss, Articulo. Uno in between horses is No Yana. Reconstruction comes next. Exciting Girl, Balikasag. Mikonanga comes next, and going along for the first turn. Runka on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Luneta Park in second. Guadalajara comes next, then followed now by No Yana. Double Rock is on the outside, running by the release. Amazing cut, rushing up Balikasag, so sweet. Articulo Uno. Private Thoughts comes next. Exciting Gal, moving up. Reconstruction, Mikonanga. Then next online is Casablanca, Wild Chocolate. Brownies is racing in 14th. Another 4th turn. Is still in control by about 3 lengths. Coming closer now is Luneta Park, Balikasag. No Yana. Articulo Uno likewise arriving at the scene, and as they swing for home, the lead now belongs to Luneta Park. Ungkaw moving up down on the inside is Miko Nanga, and on the outside Balikasag. No Yana. Articulo Uno. Last 75 meters we have Luneta Park, followed by Miko Nanga, and finally Luneta Park, Miko Nanga. No Yana. Then comes Balikasag, close Ungkaw and Articulo Uno.
Bayang Karirista for race number 7, ang ating pong unofficial winner. Entry number 4, that is Luneta Park. Dito, that's the second favorite. Masa segundo, numero G, siyan po si Miko na nga. Numero 6, No Yana, 8 horse. Balikasag, 9 horse, Ungkaw. And entry number 13,